Here's some Chinese agricultural reforms trivia. Subscribe. What year did China begin its agricultural reforms? Is it A, 1975, B, 1980, C, 1982, or D, 1978? The correct answer is D, 1978. Which policy replaced collective farming? Is it A, land redistribution, B, Great Leap Forward, C, 5-year plans, or D, household responsibility system? The correct answer is D, household responsibility system. What impact did reforms have on rural incomes? Is it A, slight decrease, B, no change, C, decrease significantly, or D, significant increase? The correct answer is D, significant increase. Which traditional farming approach was dismantled? Is it A, family farms, B, sharecropping, C, people's communes, or D, crop rotation? The correct answer is C, people's communes. What term describes the shift in China's agricultural policy? Is it A, crop rotation, B, urbanization, C, decollectivization, or D, land reformation? The correct answer is C, decollectivization. In what decade did rural enterprises significantly grow? Is it A, 2000s, B, 1990s, C, 1970s, or D, 1980s? The correct answer is D, 1980s. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.